So, welcome back to Tailored Myth. Today I have a very special friend, Devanshi, with me, and she will be joining me for today's video. Now, today, what are we doing then?
We are painting.
And
talking about certain things like in the middle of the video and in the duration. We're not going to be just painting.
so, let the best girl win. And we are very boring, but today we will.
No, we are not boring. People who know us know that we are not boring. Okay. I mean, 0 people know us, but
Wow, Devanshi.
एकदम starting में ही दुखड़ा अपना start हो गया हमारा.
1 hour later.
I have tied my hair, and this is the painting. This, I know it's very easy, but that's because Devanshi hasn't painted in 9
तूने
years.
पेंटिंग दिखा नहीं दी थी.
हाँ, but ठीक है, फिर से दिखा देते हैं.
Oh yes, point. I have not painted in 9 years, and she paints a lot.
Yes.
So she has an advantage. So if you're judging out there after we're done with this, you better not.
Okay, so we need water. Water. यार water वहाँ है. ठीक है, एक ही water use करेंगे, ठीक है? क्यों? नहीं, मुझे अलग चाहिए. पानी की bottle वहाँ है, उतना पड़ेगा. तो फिर एक आधा कर देंगे. Thank you. हाँ, thank you.
Sharing is caring. Okay, so we'll be starting now. We have our water.
And we're going to talk about a lot of things.
And we have.
A little background. She's doing law. I'm doing psychology.
Yes, and we'll be talking.
And we're
we'll
just
not be
best of
talking
both
about,
the worlds because we rule the fucking world.
We will not be talking about law because I don't know anything. But she knows.
I don't know anything either.
I just want to know like very basic stuff. Like nothing like. Okay. Fine.
I think I'll paint the lavenders first. Yeah. Because then we'll share the brush, no? I lost all my brushes. I had like so many brushes because I painted a lot. But then, so I'm a very irresponsible person. So I used to oil paint and I used to wash them with kerosene. But I was so irresponsible that I never washed them ढंग से. तो फिर वो hard हो गए थे और वो ऐसे भी नहीं होते थे. ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, but मैंने फिर पापा ने मुझे बोला कि thinner होता है, there's something, तो उसमें कर लेते हैं and then उससे ठीक हो जाता है.
Right now we are drawing it, but I don't know what is happening. I wanted to ask you is a criminal born or are they made? Like, is it something that it's there inbuilt, like from birth? What do you think?
See, in psychology or in any social science ka field, this debate has been going on for like forever, and there's no answer to it. So it's of the nature versus nurture ka debate.
Okay. Lovely.
What's your favorite song?
I love Justin Bieber, so everybody knows my favorite song.
Everybody knows.
What is your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song. I'm not into music.
I don't understand the
Concept of favorites, because I can never have one favorite thing. I mean, favorite food. I can't have one thing. I need
a pizza, I need chocolate, I need a milkshake. I can't have one thing, no?
so.
I watch Colleen Ballinger. She's a YouTuber and she has been my favorite, like the most favorite YouTuber. And
I know.
so basically, she's having twins. We're talking about like how you have twins. See, my point being that's very interesting to know that it's not like a game of chance. You understand? It's like it's hereditary.
Yeah.
So I didn't know that
Yeah.
having twins is not something that it's just like luck by chance ho gaya,
So studies have been done when workers are happy, they're more productive, they're more creative, and they invent innovative products. There are organizations जहाँ पे वो सुबह जब भी आते हैं ना तो 10 मिनट तक वो डांस करते हैं सब. भाई मैंने YouTube वीडियो देखी थी. I think South
So like
Indian
this is
थी.
actually a thing. Like this is happening in India.
वो वाला गाना कौन सा है?
Zinga.
Yeah. So they were dancing on that, and for 10 minutes, all of them are dancing, and then it stops, and then they go on to work. Looking at people when they're dancing to energetic songs in the morning start with.
Yeah,
this
but
is
it
so
should
fun.
be. See, that's my point.
It shouldn't
So
be
it should
compulsory.
routine. It should
No,
be
it should be a routine.
No,
But it should not be compulsory. Just stand there.
because it was getting too boring. Like if you're
You are
sleeping-
boring. I am not boring.
Yeah, we'll see. So right now we're gonna ask questions to each other, and I'm gonna answer on her behalf, and she's gonna answer on my behalf, right? So the first question is,
And if you don't know me, I'll hit you.
But what embarrassed you the most, and or what has been the most embarrassing moment of your life? So what has been my most embarrassing moment?
तू embarrassing नहीं होती कभी बेशरम है तू.
We'll Devanshi,
I answered that. And
like when somebody say, oh my god, I don't have friends, so like do you judge them or are you like, bro, same?
I'm like, bro, same at everything.
That's true.
So there's this question: which celeb would you want as your other BFF apart from me, and why?
With celeb, I want Selena Gomez to my wedding.
यार ये
I'm
नहीं,
telling you why.
ये नहीं.
I'm telling you why. Selena Gomez is the most, I think, the most relatable person that I've found. How can she be so strong with like kidney transplant and whatnot? So I want to like just talk.
But you're.
So Devanshi said that she wants to have Kangana Ranaut as your best friend. Why?
मैं लंदन डुमकता हुए डांस करूँगी उसके साथ.
हाँ, and she
भाई
also.
उसकी उसका वो वाला एपिसोड देखा आपकी अदालत.
Yeah, that was something.
No, but I would want
She
Rakhi
has
Sawant
guts.
instead.
Why?
Because she's good. पता है Big Boss में I actually realized that she has an image,
Yeah.
but she's actually a good person. And I mean,
Okay.
yeah. I just realized that there's
And
a
yeah,
lot.
all women are amazing.
Yeah.
That's what I personally think.
All women are so good.
Devanshi,
Stop
we
wasting your
can't-
time on your fucking violets.
Yeah. Violets?
Or
Are they violets?
You what?
क्या है?
Lavender है भाई.
Lavender. जो भी.
They are lavenders.
Yeah, so move on.
I will.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Make it pop. कौन सा गाना था ये?
I know. मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा. I'm very
Don't
hungry.
stop.
I'm very hungry. Why am I so hungry?
में जा. तू ना गंदा क्यों बना रही है आदिति?
है ना?
तू बेमन से क्यों कर रही है हर चीज?
आप जिंदगी में जो भी करो उसमें पूरा दिल, दिमाग और मन.
But it's fine. I will fix it, I think. Progress. It's almost done. And it looks hideous. And Devanshi, can you show yours? This looks pretty. You know, because the bee is big.
Shut up. I'm tired.
You know, we're gonna eat something
मेरे
after
को
this.
बहुत दर्द हो रहा है दिल में.
बस होने वाला है. जल्दी खत्म करते हैं ना.
थक गई यार. दर्द हो रहा है बाहर से.
दुनिया में बहुत बाहर है यार.
I know.
Do you like your hair?
Yeah, I love my hair. I've grown to love it.
Do you exchange it for curly hair?
No. So, a fun fact, I made these rings. So, that video
Yeah, they're very amazing.
that video will be up too. So, watch that too if you want to.
Okay.
Cool hair. I like them. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, any other question that you want to
मैं
ask?
बाल का क्या करूँ?
Any other question, Devanshi? Any?
Please help me.
ऐसे में swing.
Goes like this way. If you were going to get some ink, what would you choose and why?
I was saying I am against tattoo and ink because you can't donate blood after it. But if there was an option that you can get a tattoo without like having not to donate blood, I would get a tattoo. And that will be wings, like Aliyev has it, Justin Bieber has it here. And I want wings on my
Because I
back.
wanna fly.
Because I want to fly to heaven.
Cliche.
Now you tell what next question.
Next question. मैं नहीं answer कर दूँ.
तो करने नहीं लिए बोल. What do you want to get inked?
I don't want to get any tattoo because I feel that would stay with me and that would actually define me. What?
So basically no.
Yeah.
No. Next question.
Aditi, do you want to marry and have kids? And
Why
how
not?
many kids?
या मेरे जाने से क्या होता है? But I might get only 1 year. I can't go through. I can't.
यार I was alone and I always wanted somebody. यार पता है मैं रोती थी कि मेरे को भाई.
You are not alone.
Sorry.
You have a brother.
No, but जब मैं alone थी तो मैं
I used
रोती
to
थी.
cry. I used to be like, I feel that if I was a single child, I would have been happier.
I used
that
to cry.
sounds very
I used
wrong.
to cry every day because I was like, please give me brother.
But like, why? Like, why? Because I think that everything is divided. So we went on a rant again. So next question, Devanshi.
नहीं है मेरे पास.
Okay, if you had to choose only one, what would you choose? Dog or cat?
You will choose a cat, of
Obviously.
course. Of
And
course.
What about you?
What do you think?
I think you're a dog person.
Yeah.
If you want to see my cat, you can see it on my Instagram @tailoredmyth.
Yeah, so if you had a chance to be any one Disney character, what would you be?
Tinkerbell.
Why?
I want to be of that size. I want to live in a flower. Like I want to, and
That dress, yaar. Wow.
what do you want to be?
Winnie the Pooh.
Devanshi, I think तूने इसी के लिए question पूछा था ना, just
What?
to say this.
Eh.
I know, मतलब like I know, fine, okay. Next question.
There's one thing in your life that you're the most proud of.
I'm most proud of my YouTube channel
Yes, I'm proud of you too.
because I work hard for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you most proud of? Ourselves.
I think I'm proud of all the social work that I've done in my life because
Yeah.
I've not received anything in return for that, but the smiles of children when
You feel good, so that makes it selfish. Look, there's no unselfish good deed, sorry.
You know, Joey said there's no selfless deeds.
I don't believe in that. Fuck Joey.
We are done with the paintings and I will show you mine first. It's not that cute, but it's there. This is mine and this is
Pushu.
yeah.
This is mine.
Photo. Fine.
This is Aditi's. And
Now-
this
now-
is Devanshi's.
Thank you guys so much for watching and we had a fun time and I'm sorry
We
if
are
you-
fun, of course.
You know, I disagree.
Sorry.
But you disagree.
From this video, yeah, it
Too
was all
boring
over the
movie.
place. It
Very
was all
fun.
over the place. It was all over the place, I understand.
Yeah,
but-
because we are
Yeah.
perfectly imperfect.
and also we are not like, you know, like,
YouTubers like Yo-Yo.
oh, we're not that ugly, aren't you? So thank you for watching
Thank
us.
you.
And in the next video, I promise that we'll be in better form, right?
Love you. Follow, subscribe, like.
Yeah, everything will be down below. Her Instagram and
मेरा
her
क्यों
YouTube.
मेरे को नहीं?
To cough. Okay, bye. And also get vaccinated and also be safe and also adhere to all the
Get
guidelines.
waxed also. Oh, let's talk about this. Chal.
Okay, bye.